Hi everyone, welcome to this new video where I'm going to show you how Victor was able to significantly improve his melodic recognition skills by following the use your ear method. I'm going to show you 3 video clips of Victor practicing melodic recognition tasks, which means basically melodic dictation tasks. So basically you will see him listening to melodies and trying to transcribe them by ear without the help of any instruments. And there is an important disclaimer to make about that. The first video clip you're going to see was made right when Victor started to practice following the use your ear method. So he didn't have the skill to recognize melodies by ear without the help of any instruments. That's why you will see him trying to help himself with the piano in this first video clip. You're not gonna see that in the second clip and in the third clip, that were recorded respectively 3 months and 5 months after he started following the use your ear method. So I won't talk a lot in this video, and for this reason I suggest you to pay attention to the description we put on video in order for you to better understand what's going on.
So, T, La. I guess I have to re-listen, and I will help myself soon with the instrument. Do, do, re, mi, fa, fa, ti, sol, do, re, mi, la, sol, ti, fa. I guess it's do, fa, ti, fa, do, mi, fa. So. T, sol, ti, mi, do, re, mi, fa, so. Okay, so fa, ti, sol, mi, la. Okay, maybe it's not correct then. Ti, sol, la, fa, mi, do.
Great, great.
So I have 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 7.
Great, awesome. That was it. Congratulations to Victor. He had an amazing improvement, and I'd really like to thank him for his commitment and for following my suggestions. Okay, that's all for this video. If you have any suggestions for videos you want to see, if you have any questions that we could discuss in a video, or you want to know anything about ear training, we're looking forward to know how we could help you further with the content that we're going to create for this channel. So please don't wait, write the suggestions you have in the comment section below. Lastly, I'd like to remind you that our free workshop will be available starting on June the 1st. So I really recommend you sign up for it. It's totally free. It's a 3-hour-long workshop. It includes a lot of valuable information regarding your training. So if you're watching this video, you shouldn't absolutely miss our free workshop. Everything we say there, it's backed up by scientific researches. It's full of exercises, actionable content, tips, tricks that you could use immediately to improve your ear training skills. It will explain exactly what exercises you should avoid, why you should avoid them. You can find the link to sign up for our free workshop in the description section of this video. It will be available for only a few days, so I suggest you don't miss out on this opportunity. That being said, thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please push the like button below, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment if you have any questions or if you want to let us know about anything that goes on your mind. And I think I'll see you in the next video. Bye.